How pornography affect our brain. Is it dangerous to watch porn? In today's video, we'll explore the chemical changes that occur in our brains when we watch pornography. We'll break it down into simple terms, so let's dive right in. Watching porn triggers the pleasure chemical. When we watch pornography, our brain experiences a surge of a chemical called dopamine. Dopamine is often referred to as the pleasure chemical because it plays a crucial role in our brain's reward system. As we continue to watch pornography, our brain releases more dopamine. This chemical creates a rewarding sensation, making us feel good and motivated to continue engaging with the content. Activation of reward pathways. The explicit content in pornography triggers the activation of reward pathways in the brain. These pathways are responsible for regulating our motivation, pleasure, and desire. When exposed to sexual stimuli, the brain releases dopamine, leading to feelings of pleasure and satisfaction, reinforcement, and craving. The release of dopamine during porn consumption strengthens neural connections related to the experience. This forms a reinforcement loop where the brain craves the same level of pleasure and seeks out more pornography to fulfill that craving. Tolerance and desensitization. Desensitization means the process or fact of becoming less aware of something as a problem by becoming used to it. Over time, excessive pornography consumption can lead to tolerance. This means that the brain becomes less responsive to the same level of dopamine release, requiring more explicit or intense content to achieve the same satisfaction. This process can contribute to desensitization. Desensitization occurs when the brain becomes less sensitive to the effects of pornography. As a result, individuals may seek out something new or more extreme content we can say to experience the same level of arousal. This can lead to a cycle of constantly seeking new and increasingly explicit material. Impact of porn on the prefrontal cortex. The prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for decision-making and impulse control, can be affected by excessive pornography consumption. The constant release of dopamine can impair the prefrontal cortex's ability to regulate impulses, leading to difficulties in self-control. Potential addiction. Lengthy exposure to pornography and the chemical changes it induces can contribute to the development of addiction. When the brain becomes dependent on the release of dopamine from pornography, it can be challenging to stop or reduce consumption, leading to compulsive behavior. It's very destructive to lose self-control. It can lead you to a stage where you can't do anything about your bad habit, although you know it is destroying you, and you will feel useless, and maybe it lead you to take negative decisions. Emotional consequences. The chemical changes caused by pornography can also have emotional consequences. Some individuals may experience feelings of guilt, shame, or diminished self-esteem. These emotional responses can vary from person to person and may be influenced by societal or personal beliefs about pornography. Relationship impact. The impact of pornography isn't limited to ourselves. It can also affect our relationships. Watching excessive amounts of pornography can create unrealistic expectations about intimacy and relationships. It may lead to difficulties in forming emotional connections or may even cause strain between partners. At last, let me tell you how pornography consumption destroys the society. The secrecy and shame often associated with porn addiction can isolate individuals, inhibiting their ability to engage positively in their communities and diminishing their overall social impact. A person struggling with pornography addiction can harm society by contributing to the objectification and devaluation of individuals, especially women, perpetuating harmful attitudes and behaviors. Individuals battling porn addiction may experience decreased productivity and engagement in other aspects of life, such as work or education, leading to a potential loss of contributions to society. We hope this simplified explanation helped you understand the topic better. Remember, being aware of these changes can help us make informed choices and maintain a healthy balance in our lives. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, stay conscious.